Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. Today I have partnered with FabFitFun to show you their new spring box. If you're unaware, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that gives you everything from beauty to fashion to home decor to health, lifestyle. I love that you get all of that in this one box. Some boxes are just beauty, some boxes are just fashion, but with FabFitFun you get the best out of everything. One of the things that I love about FabFitFun is that they always partner with a charity. They are very philanthropic, and this box is no exception. Last year, FabFitFun switched to 100% recycled craft materials to lighten their carbon footprint. For this box, they're partnering with One Tree Planted, which is an organization dedicated to planting trees to help restore nature and biodiversity. For every $1 donated, one tree will be planted in one of 3 projects for California, national parks in the U.S., and the Pacific Northwest. With FabFitFun, you get full-size products of everything from fashion to beauty to home decor to health and everything in between. The FabFitFun seasonal boxes are just $49.99, but if you get a yearly plan, that price comes down to $179.99. But if you use my code down below, you will get a discount. So definitely take advantage of this deal because they are always major bang for your buck. FabFitFun ships to the US, Canada, and the UK. So without further ado, let's jump right in because I'm really excited about this box. First of all, how adorable is this? Super cute, floral, just really gets me excited for spring. I feel like it's forever awake just because it's so cold and still snowing here in New York, and I can't even wrap my mind around spring being just around the corner. Now, one of the many great things about FabFitFun is that you can choose several of the products included in your box. It'll give you options and tiers for you to choose for one product out of a group of things. So some of these products I chose myself. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this. This is from Short Stories. It is their LED indoor planter, and it came with some basil. Now, I have tried to grow herbs so many times, specifically cilantro. I love cilantro. I put it in just about everything. I love the smell of it. I love that after cooking it, my fingers smell like cilantro for a while. And I've tried to grow it several times and it's just not worked out. So this I picked because I'm gonna give it one more shot, and I hear that these are great. So I'm willing to try everything. If I could grow my own cilantro, I would just be ecstatic because I consume it so much. I mean, for soups, for tacos, to make guacamole, for salads, I love it. So here is what the planter looks like. Oh, I'm so excited to try this out. Okay, I will try this out and do my best. Should I just go buy some cilantro or should I use the basil? I'll grow the basil. They sent it to me. I'll grow the basil. And you're just going to have to check in with me on Instagram to see updates, to hear if it's worked out for me. And then once I get the basil grown and use that up, then I'll go ahead and try the cilantro one more time and see. Fingers crossed, guys. The next items I also selected, this is from Gaiam. They are a yoga brand and yoga accessories company. I have several products from there over the years, my yoga mats from there. Just because I've done yoga periodically for several years, I'm very well aware of the brand. And so when I saw the selection of things, first of all, everything was amazing. They offer so many amazing brands and products, and I get so excited and it's really hard for me to choose. But ultimately, I want to live a healthier life. I want to do more exercise. It was really tough last year, as I'm sure it was for everyone. And so this year, I'm trying to motivate myself and make sure that I have everything that I need at home so that when I do feel motivated to work out, I have everything that I need. So when I saw this, I was like, yeah, of course I want this. So these are some exercise bands. This is a set. So this is the Gaiam Studio Select Ultimate Core Toning Kit. And this is the core refirmer, which are basically resistance bands. And what's cool about this one is that it's like it comes 4 straps to the band. So it looks kind of like a flower. And you can hook these 2 on your feet and these 2 on your hands, and you can do all sorts of workouts, different exercises with it. You could go to their website and their YouTube channel, and they have exercises for you to do with these. And with the kit, not only were the bands included, but you also got the ball. These all come in handy, and like I said, you go to their YouTube channel and they'll show you how to use this. They'll show you different exercises for you to use this. So I'm adding this to my little home gym, which is really just a corner in my office, but comes in handy. And yeah, definitely is gonna help me be more active and yeah, get ready for the spring. The next product is from Erno Laszlo. And if you are unaware of Erno, Laszlo is a skincare brand that has been around for a very long time. One of their most famous clients was Marilyn Monroe. So they've been around for a very long time, very prestigious brand. And this is the famous black soap. It is a sea mud deep cleansing bar. Used directly after the cleansing oil of your choice as part of your double cleanse ritual, or simply use the bar alone. Dampen this bar under warm water, gently massage the wet bar over your face, massage face, neck with the fingertips, rinse, and pat skin dry. Use morning and night. Now this one, because it is their Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, it can be a little drying. So if you have dry skin, if you use this, definitely recommend you moisturize. I mean, always moisturize after cleansing your skin. Moisturize at night, moisturize in the morning. So it goes without saying, but I wanted to say it because just in case, definitely use a moisturizer with this. But yeah, so really good product. The next product I'm going to show you is from Earth Harbor. It is the Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. It says right here, Marine Biome Brightening Ampoule is named for the treasured ocean blue botanicals she possesses, spirulina and blue tansy. She harbors concentrated adaptogenic oils that vigorously brighten and balance for an even, radiant complexion. It includes ingredients like caprylic triglycerides, green tea seed oil, olive fruit squalane, watermelon oil, blueberry seed oil, rosehip seed oil, spirulina, as it mentioned, extract, sunflower oil, blue tansy, flower oil, jasmine flower extract, and sunflower vitamin E. There you go, and it is non-GMO certified organic. The next product is from Islands of Italy, and it is their bath gel. Ooh, the fragrance is peach champagne, Capri. Oh, that smells really, really good. The next product, I remember choosing this. This is from Bloomingville, Ever Changing Homes, and it is these beautiful, beautiful coasters. See how pretty these are? These are beautiful. I mean, this is like Pinterest worthy coasters right here. So, so pretty. Love that. So, so beautiful. Very, very pretty. The next products are from Saie, and they are these cleansing beauty rounds. So here is what they look like. They're kind of fuzzy. Very interesting. I haven't used this yet. I will use it tonight to wash this off and then let you know my thoughts on it. But hey, you can never have too many things to help me remove my makeup. So I've used it and I love it. Here's all the makeup it took off of me after using 2 makeup removing wipes. As you can see, it did get a good amount off, so I'm really impressed with how it works. And because it's fluffy, it's super gentle on the skin. And then last but not least, this is from Camp Collection. Let's Make Memories. How cute is this? Oh, can't wait to go back to a farmer's market and pick up some fresh produce. Oh, I'm so ready. I'm so ready to get back out there and to have this with me. Very cute. It's kind of ombre. It is like beige at the top, and then it gets like a very light pink to a darker pink down below. Very, very cute. All right, and that was everything in the spring FabFitFun box that I received. Let me know what was your favorite thing, what you're most interested in. If you want me to do a full review on anything or demo. If you got the winter box, let me know what was your favorite thing from that box. I loved the robe. I use it every single day. I love waking up to it when it's really cold. It just feels so warm and cozy. Along with those socks, it is so, it just makes my mornings so much better. Just putting that on, feel cozy, I feel relaxed, and I feel like it puts me in a better spirit for the rest of the day. So definitely love that. If you liked my unboxing, please give this video a like. It really helps me out on YouTube. And of course, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button and set your notifications on for all. That way you get notified whenever my videos come out. I make new videos every single week, and I cover everything from beauty to fashion to travel to DIY projects and home decor and everything in between. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.